Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of pulao, a super popular Indian rice dish. It's bursting with flavor thanks to yummy spices, veggies and sometimes meat or paneer, Indian cheese. Pulao is also super versatile. It can be a quick weeknight dinner or the star of a fancy feast. There are tons of different pulao recipes and each part of India has its own special version. From royal kitchens to regular homes, pulao has a special place in Indian cooking. It's proof that simple ingredients can create amazing flavors. Pulao is a one-pot dish, so it's easy to make, and it's a complete meal all by itself. Whether you're a beginner or a pro cook, making pulao is a fun adventure. Join me as we learn how to make perfect pulao at home. We'll discover the secrets of this awesome dish and get ready to enjoy some amazing Indian flavors. Pulao is great because it's simple to make with easy-to-find ingredients. Each ingredient is important for the overall flavor. Let's start with the basics. Basmati rice is the best choice for pulao because its long grains and nice smell make the dish special. Ghee, which is like a special butter, adds a rich, nutty flavor. Onions are sliced and cooked until golden, making them sweet. Ginger and garlic add a warm, spicy kick. The heart of pulao is its spices. Cumin seeds, cardamom pods, cloves, and cinnamon sticks smell amazing when cooked in ghee. These spices not only make the dish taste great but are also good for you. Veggies like carrots, peas, beans, potatoes, and cauliflower add color, texture, and nutrients. We cook them just a little so they stay crunchy. Making pulao is fun and easy. Just follow these steps to impress your friends and family. First, rinse the basmati rice with cold water to get rid of extra starch so it's not sticky. Soak the rice for 30 minutes so it cooks evenly and becomes fluffy. Next, heat ghee in a big pot. Add the sliced onions and cook until light golden brown and a little sweet. Now add the ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute until it smells good. Add the whole spices, cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. Cook for a few seconds until they smell amazing. Add the chopped veggies and cook for a few minutes until they're lightly browned but still a little crunchy. Drain the rice and add it to the pot. Stir everything gently so the rice is coated with ghee and spices. Add water and salt. Use twice as much water as rice. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat. Cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. Don't peek, let the rice steam. Once it's cooked, fluff it with a fork. Pulao is full of possibilities. Once you know the basic recipe, you can get creative. To add meat, try chicken, mutton, or lamb. Marinate it in yogurt and spices before adding it to the pot with the onions. The meat will make the pulao extra tasty. For a vegetarian option, use paneer. Cut it into cubes and fry until golden brown before adding it to the pulao. It'll soak up the spices and make the dish creamy. If you want a fresh herby pulao, add chopped mint and coriander with the vegetables. They'll make the pulao smell and taste amazing, perfect for summer. Making amazing pulao takes practice. Here are some tips to make yours extra special. Use good quality basmati rice. It makes a big difference in how the pulao turns out. Look for aged basmati rice, which makes fluffier grains. Don't overcook the rice. It'll get mushy. Watch the cooking time carefully. Spices are key. The right mix can make your pulao amazing. Try different combinations to find what you like. Roast the whole spices a little before adding them to the ghee to make them even more flavorful. Finally, garnish your pulao. Fresh coriander, fried onions, and a squeeze of lemon juice add flavor and freshness. In India, pulao is more than just food, it's part of our culture. It's important for celebrations like weddings and festivals. No big party is complete without pulao. It brings people together. Families and friends share stories and laughs while enjoying pulao. Pulao also shows hospitality. Guests are welcomed with a plate of pulao, a sign of warmth and respect. The smell of pulao reminds us of home and family. Pulao recipes are passed down through generations, each family adding their special touch. These recipes are more than just instructions, they're a part of our history. Pulao is so versatile, it's a dish that lets you be creative. Don't be afraid to try different veggies, meats, and spices. Add a little of this or that and make your own special pulao. Pulao is great with raita, a yogurt dip, or pickle. For a bigger meal, serve it with your favorite curry. So, grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and start your pulao adventure. The most important ingredient is love. Cook with passion, and your pulao will be amazing.